Hello friends! I'm Shapey, your guide for today's adventure into the wonderful world of shapes and patterns. First, let me show you my friends. They're shapes and they're everywhere around us.
Circle. Can you find a circle near you? Triangle. What about a triangle? Look around. Square. Can you find a square? Look around, I'll wait. Rectangle. Can you see a rectangle? Good job. Now that we've met some shapes, let's go find them in a magical game. Come along.
Circle round, triangle point, square has sides, all the same joint, rectangles long, star shines bright, shapes and patterns, oh what a sight.
Wow, we've arrived at the magical meadow. It's filled with shapes waiting to be found. Let's play a game to spot them. Here's our first object. What shape is this soccer ball? Is it a square, a circle, or a triangle? Take a guess. If you said circle, you're right. A soccer ball is round like a circle. Here's something yummy. What shape is this pizza slice? Is it a triangle, a rectangle, or a square? That's right. It's a triangle. Great job.
Welcome to the pattern party. Patterns are like puzzles that repeat over and over again. Let's play some games to find out what comes next in these patterns.
Patterns everywhere. Shapes
Look at
and
this pattern.
colors in the air.
It goes circle, square, circle. What comes next?
Let's declare.
Say it out loud.
Patterns everywhere. Shapes and colors in the air. Circle, square.
If you said square, you're a pattern pro.
Let's declare.
Let's try a trickier one.
Stomp your feet. Patterns make the world so neat. Red, blue, what comes now? Patterns help us learn.
Now here's a pattern with colors. It goes red, blue, yellow, red, blue. What color comes next?
Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Patterns make the world so neat. Red, blue,
That's right,
what
yellow.
comes now?
You're doing amazing.
Patterns here and footprints there.
Here's a fun one.
Bird, repeat with
These
care.
animal footprints go cat,
Pattern
dog,
is so
bird,
fun.
cat,
Shapes and
dog.
colors for
Can you
everyone.
guess the next footprint?
Here and footprints there. Cat, dog, bird, repeat with care. Find the pattern, it's so fun. Shapes and colors for everyone.
Wow, you got it.
Clap your hands, stomp
A
your
bird
feet.
print.
Patterns make
You're
the world
amazing at
so
spotting
neat.
patterns.
Triangle, circle, triangle,
Now,
two.
let's make our own pattern
Comes next,
together.
it's up to you.
Clap your hands and stomp your feet in this order. Clap, stomp, clap, stomp.
Triangle,
Great
circle,
job.
triangle, two.
You just
What
created a
comes next,
pattern.
it's up to you. Patterns help us every day. In the
Great job,
games we
little
work and
learners.
play. Shapes and
If you had fun
colors make
discovering
them
shapes
shine.
and patterns,
Patterns
don't
are
forget to
yours
like this
and
video
mine.
and subscribe for more exciting adventures. We can't wait to learn with you again.